Hey guys, Bruce Milligan from Cell Pro Repair Solutions here. Just got the Samsung S10E and we're doing the fingerprint sensor on the side here. Unfortunately, you do have to remove the screen in order to do this repair. So I'll just give you a quick once over to show you how to do it. Obviously, you remove these screens here. Remove these screws, and you take that part off. Then there is a circular adhesive, and I've just cut it here and here to each side of the ribbon for the sensor, and then you flip it over to the other side where the screen is being removed already, and then you got to remove this bracket inside like so. There you go, so that, and then you put that aside. And then you want to actually just push this guy through or pull it through from the other side gently. This is why you've cut the circular bit off already, to make it easier to pull through so you don't rip that ribbon. Then there's the interior bracket, and you want to pop that guy out like so, and then the actual button itself comes out like that. And then you do the exact same thing in the opposite way. You put it back in like so. This one's a little bit tricky because you need to loop it back around. Then you put the interior bracket back in again. Might take a little bit shenagling to figure out which way it goes. Make sure that that is pushing, and it is. Then you take this, you flip it over the interior bracket, and then put it through to the other side. Like so. Perfect. Then we put this bracket back on. Very easily, it just sort of snaps back into place here. Oh, maybe not so easily. Let's put those in first, and then we'll push this in. Okay, well, it's not going in that easily, so let's see what's going on. Maybe we haven't pushed this down far enough. Okay, so I think I know what's going on. So I probably need to flip that bracket back around here. Let's take this guy out, back out again, and I just want to flip it upside down. That's the way I want to go on it. Let's get this guy put back in the right way, so there we go. Whoops. Come on. There we go. Okay, and the trick here is you want to be able to see the little black in the middle there, and that's the up way. Alright, so now I can put this back in. There you go, so that goes in a lot smoother. So that's good, but that's... We actually want to flip this over first, again, and back through the little hole again. That went in easy. And we want to see that it's there. That looks good. Now we put this guy back on again. Perfect. So that's in. flip it over, and then you screw this guy back in. All right, so that's how you replace that fingerprint sensor on there. Unfortunately, again, you got to replace the screen, but such is life. And so it's probably best to do it when you are doing a screen replacement. So, all right, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much.